Okay, so I want to open up this PR that I've had sitting here for way too long. First off, let's open what I got from, well, Btartbox. They sent me their solid glue gel. This packaging is so pretty. Are there any ingredients on here? Let's see. What's in here? Now you guys can watch me struggle to open packaging. I hate that. Because when you have nails, you know. I've been dying to clean up in here. It's driving me crazy, so I'm glad I'm opening this stuff. Okay. There is a paper in here. I almost just threw it out. Solid nail glue gel. You can use it for rhinestones and bonding nails. Made of natural resin. Okay. But there's no ingredients. Ah, there is on here. There is HEMA in here, just so you guys know, if you are allergic to HEMA. This is so pretty. The white tube is so different. Oh, I'm so happy it has the squeeze tube like that. I thought by the look of it, it was going to be like the thick head, which is like annoying. This I cannot wait to try, and I also can't wait to try it like it says for big rhinestones. So, how? No exact curing time. It says it depends on the thickness of the gel and the power of your nail lamp, obviously. How big is this glue? Oh boy, I think I had a little tiny bit too much coffee. This is 1.05 ounce or a 30 gram tube. So we got this. Then I requested these. I did request this too. I don't remember if I said that. But these are their extra long square gel nail tips. So I am so excited for these. This is just what the box says. Okay. I literally like can't do anything, apparently. It's so annoying. Okay. Wow, these are really pretty. I can't wait to try these. I think I want to make my birthday nails out of these, which is going to have to be coming soon. My birthday is April 8th. So I want to do like some cute junk nails. Oh my god, my dog is so annoying. So these are the extra longs. I should probably grab the long ones and do a little side by side for you guys. So hold on one sec. Okay, so these are their long squares. This is from their pastel blue collection. I just grabbed these first. I do have the pink and whites, but I just grabbed these first. Okay. All right. So they are quite a bit longer. Wow. That bar is in the way. Okay. Nice. These are so pretty. Oh my god. And of course, always the same really great quality. These are some of the strongest nail tips, in my opinion. Definitely worth your money in that sense. They definitely look like salon nails. I love these so much. And it did come with the, where did I put that? This is what it comes with. This is the builder gel and top coat. These I absolutely love as well. They are nice. I don't like all builder gel. This one, excuse me, this one I love. Okay, so that's that. Let me get this stuff out of the way. So next and lastly, as far as nail PR goes, I got this set of 6 gel colors from Born Pretty, who have continuously worked with my channel, which I am so thankful for. I love them so much. They literally make all my favorite gel polishes, honestly. Born Pretty and Nail Reserve. They're the best. They really are. And so affordable. These you can buy on Born Pretty's site or on Amazon. Or even I've seen Born Pretty stuff on like Shein. But yeah, that's a whole nother story there. Okay. I don't remember. I gotta see what this is called. Okay. This is the Moss Wave Jelly Set. I'm so excited. Is this a milky white? Oh my gosh. It is. Yay. I'm so excited. I love milky white and I've been dying to try one from Born Pretty. So now's my chance. Oh my goodness. This has got to be one of the most gorgeous colors I've ever seen in my entire life. Do you see that? Wow. Oh my god. It's like a sea foam green. In the bottle it looks a little more like minty, but on the brush it's, oh my god, it has like a golden shimmer. I'm excited to see what that looks like on nails. This is gorgeous. These are so pretty. I don't have many green gels, so oh my god. This is exactly what I have been looking for, you guys. Oh my god. This is like a milky, minty jade green. This is so pretty. This is perfect for spring. Wow. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to use these. These are literally breathtaking spring greens. Again, this is called the Moss Wave Jelly Set. I will link it down below for you guys as well in case you're interested, because I know I would be. So here we go with number 4. This looks to be a deep forest jelly green. Obviously, I need to swatch these so you can see the true color. It's not picking up as much on camera as I can see in person, but oh my gosh. Definitely must-haves, in my opinion. Do it in order. Might as well, right? Alright. Another deep green. I'm gonna swatch these on a little like paper thing. Where are they? I ran out of like swatch sticks, and honestly I threw out all my swatches that I made on the swatch sticks because they were just taking up room, and I honestly never check them for a color. I just like pick through on my shelves, so I got rid of them because they were annoying and unnecessary, honestly. Ooh, this is such a pretty jelly brown. Oh my god, I gotta swatch these so you can actually really see what they look like. So that's what we're gonna do. Take one of those. I need a Sharpie. God damn it. Keep hitting into that. Alright, so we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And these are Moss Wave Jellies. Born Pretty. Okay. I really don't have the best handwriting. There's probably no point in swatching this on white paper, but I'm going to do it anyway. I really can't wait to try these. You can kind of see that. It has very promising opacity. I just recently tried the Nail Reserve Milky White, and it was really, really nice, but I don't know, this one might look even nicer. We're gonna have to see. This is calling for a nail set, like, right now. Oh my god, this is like a green princess. Look at that! Stop it right now, that Milky White and that green. Oh my goodness, are you seeing it? That's like beautiful sea foam, mermaid, minty green. It just brings like so many beautiful adjectives to my mind. I'm going to cure these two because I don't want to make a disaster because I'm very prone to doing that. Okay, well, let me cure these because they're starting to like almost bleed together. Okay, this is so pretty. I can't even survive. I cannot. Let me fix my mess. I'm sorry. I'm just like all over the place. Okay, so those are good to go. They're all cured. Oh my god. These make me so happy. All right, let's move on because I'm not going to stop. These are gorgeous. Oh, it's so nice. So beautifully milky. See why these swatch so nice on here. Forget swatch sticks, man. I swear. Let's see if I can do the rest quickly without making an awful disaster. Ooh, that's really nice. Really, really pretty. I'm gonna cure them. I can't. Okay, we got two more. I can't believe I had these sitting here for the amount of time that I did. I knew they were gorgeous. I knew they were greens, but like, oh my god, these are a masterpiece. Oh my god, I cannot wait to use these. And I think it's really cool that they included this gorgeous, I almost cursed, a gorgeous brown like that. Like, this is so cohesive to me. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Wow. Let me cure these and get my thoughts together. Oh, is there glitters in there? Focus. I don't know. It's so glassy and pretty. Oh my gosh, I can't. Okay, they're all done curing. Oh my god. These are beautiful. You could definitely use them all in like one nail set and be totally cohesive, like I said, but the first three, oh my god, those are calling to me so hard. So beautiful. I can't. This is definitely my top favorite. Oh my god, but those three, they're so beautiful. What is your favorite type of polishes? Do you like jellies? Do you like more opaque colors? Like, I love jellies so much, especially these type because they're not too sheer. Like, I bought these a while ago. These were Savvyland. I have like a whole set. I don't even know if it's like 30. They're good and everything, but they're just so sheer. They need so much building. Like, they have a time and place, but these are perfect. So perfect. Thank you so much, Born Pretty, because I am so happy to have these. Yay. I can't wait to make a nail set. So lastly, this isn't PR, but like, I bought this myself, and I just figured like, I might as well open it here. This is the 1 Kill Peel Off Base Set Package by Jello Jello. I got this off of Sweetie Nail Supply a while back. I did open it, so like it's not, it came like in plastic. I didn't use it though. And it also came with like a big pack, which I have behind me in my little nail box, like a bunch of wooden sticks that you can use for removing the nails, but you know what those look like. So let's just get into this. So I can finally get rid of this box that I've had sitting here. So it tells you to prep the nail by buffing, apply the peel off base gel, and cure for 1 minute, blah blah. You can see the rest. So that's exciting. Okay, first of all, this is such a nice quality glass bottle. I'm super excited to finally have this. I've wanted it for so long, and I can't wait to start using it. I just want to see for myself if the hype is real. Like, I have a tendency of my nails just popping off, and if I use the peel off base that I have, they literally pop off like that same day. So I've done like the DIY peel off base, which obviously is meant to come off super quick, but I also have this Macart one. It only lasts me the end of the day, like some hours, or if I'm lucky till the next day. I don't know. I've seen like Anne Elizabeth gets this to stay for like a week. I just don't understand what my issue is, but I mean, again, it has a time and a place. This bottle is really nice. I believe this is like $10 on Amazon, so it's a really good deal. And then my first one I got was this from Temu, which was like $1. This is, it says strippable primer. You have to cure this under UV light. This comes off really fast as well. I'd honestly say same as the McCart one. I don't know. This bottle is also really nice for literally $1. It's heavy. I don't know. I'm just happy to try these. Finally, they're so pretty. Oh my gosh. Take a picture for hopefully the thumbnail. So I'm just going to put those aside. So yeah, that was my recent PR. Nail PR. Again, this I bought myself. Honestly, don't even remember how much it was. I did have a coupon code. It was probably, I'll round up and say 30, but I don't know, 20 some odd dollars. But hopefully it was well worth it. I do have 2 more things I want to show. They are not nail related, but I got 2 pairs of glasses from Zenny. I have worn them both. I've just been a delinquent nail filmer, so let me grab those and show them to you. Okay, here we go. First one, there's a snake on here. Can you see that? Love it. And it's purple. I've never gotten a purple glasses box, case, whatever, before. So, this is what these beauties look like. They're such high quality, they really are. So they're cat eye, and they have rose gold and black accents. Focus camera. I love these. Again, like I said, I've worn them. Rose gold and baby pink. And then you have the cute little Zenny mark there. I'm so excited to have these. And I think, did I wear these in a video? I have no idea. But then I have these. I really gravitate towards clear glasses. I believe these were listed as rectangles. And then the sides have gold and a little tortoise shell addition there. These are very nice, very gorgeous everyday glasses. I'm very happy to have them. Look how pretty they are. You literally, if you wear glasses and you have not tried ordering from Zenny, like, I highly recommend. I have been buying from them since well before they started sending me stuff. Like, they have such great quality glasses and they're so cute. There's like literally too many styles, like, if that's possible. And you can definitely find ones that fit you. They have them, like, you can like put in your size, like small, medium, large, whatever, depending on what you want. Like, they literally have everything. It's absolutely crazy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed opening my little bit of PR. And if you did, don't forget to comment down below, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. And comment me down below some green emojis, so I know that you are a real OG and you made it to the end of the video. So, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very shortly in the next one.